Hey, so here's a question where you have to do some stoichiometry to solve. It says ammonia is salt formed from its elements. So ammonia is NH3. So it's formed from its elements. So nitrogen is one of them. Nitrogen by itself always has to be N2 plus hydrogen, and hydrogen by itself is always H2. Okay, let's balance the thing. Whoops. Let's balance the thing before we get going too far. The nitrogens are off. I'm going to put a 2 there. So that'll be 2 nitrogen, but 6 hydrogens. So I need a 3 there. I think I'm balanced all the way around now. Okay, so it's how many moles of ammonia, so N is equal to something, will be produced from 5.34 moles of hydrogen. So moles of hydrogen are 5.34 moles. Okay, and then they say excess nitrogen. We'll talk about limiting reactants later, but excess just means you got plenty. It means it's not part of the calculation. Okay, so when I look at my solid liquid gas to solid liquid gas, moles, it looks like I'm starting here at moles of the given side, and on the asked side, I'm just asked for moles. So it's just a one-step thing. So I'll start with 5.34 moles of hydrogen times by the mole ratio. So 2 moles of ammonia are formed from 3 moles of hydrogen. Okay, so now I've got 5.34 times 2 divided by 3. I think it, like it says there, it comes out to 3.56 moles. Right, hopefully that helps with that one.